Today, uh, I'm going to be talking to you briefly about Agile CRM. The first thing I would love to talk about is creating a contact. And the first thing you want to do, you have to click on contact. And when you do that, these are just some of the uh, previous contact that we have. I created this contact some time ago. And if you want to create a new contact, you just say add a contact. You put in the first name, the last name, the title, the company name, email, phone number, and you click save. It's just as easy as that. And the second thing I want to talk to you about today is creating. Is the second thing I want to talk about today is creating contacts and widgets. The first thing you want to do is you click on contact and you select the desired contact, and the contact information will appear. The second way of doing it is type in the name of that contact, and the contact should appear. And the contact timeline just pretty much tells you everything that you've done from the day you created this contact. This is the note is the note associated with this contact, the event or the event associated with this contact. The tasks are all the tasks associated with each contact. The deals are all the deals that are associated with all this contact and campaign. You can add a campaign to this Kingsley, and so on and so forth. And the next thing we're going to be talking about, or the next thing I'm going to be showing you, is how to use the online appointment scheduler. To use the online appointment scheduler, you go to Preferences, click Online Calendar. There are four tags associated with this online calendar: uh, business hours, meeting times, advanced. This is the scheduling URL link. You can copy this and put it on your website. People can set up an appointment online, and on the business hours, they can pick the hours. You can pick your business hours. This right now is set up to Monday to Friday, the default settings, and the meeting types. You can put in the location, in person, Skype, Google, and the types and everything. And the advanced tab, tab help you set up a buffer time, and that's pretty much it on setting up online appointment scheduler. The next thing I'd love to talk to you about or show you is how to add custom field to Agile. The first thing you want to do, you click on here and you select admin settings, you select custom fields. Uh, yeah, we have three type of custom fields: contacts, companies, deals, and if you say add, then you add a custom field, the label name, the types, being the text area, data field, so on. You put a description and you select whether it's required or searchable, and that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much it on that one. As you can see, it's user friendly. This system, Agile CRM, is very easy to navigate. So it's a good system. Um, yeah. On this next one, I'm going to show you how to sync your Google contact to Agile CRM. It's pretty easy. First thing you need to do is go to your account. You click on Preferences. You click on Data Sync uh, on the Google tab. If it wasn't if it wasn't enabled, You have to enable it. Okay, and you enable it, and it's going to pull up something that look like this, and you have to say allow. And okay, and on types, Google to Agile, you can select or Agile to Google, or both ways. Uh, but these are just couple options for you to choose from. You can do it either ways, it doesn't matter. Yeah, but on this time we're just gonna do Google from from, from Google to Agile, and have a few options to sync from. My contact is recommended, so we just click it. You can also change that. You can choose friends, family, the frequency, and you can do weekly. And you just do the simple click on sync. Give the system you just a couple of minutes to sync. And you see that you receive a notification that the import has been scheduled. So that's basically how to set up your link to sync your data to your Google to your Agile CRM. Okay, it's as easy as that. Now, let's talk briefly about bulk actions. Just select the contact. Okay, um, you select your contact, and as much as you want, you can select all of them. Just doing it in a bulk way. You can add tag, you can remove tag, you can add to campaign, start, uh, call campaign, send emails, change owner, and when you do that, the tag, when you add tag, you name the tag, and you add it, and the tag will be added. That's as easy as that. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to use the form builder in Agile. Okay, go to your admin settings, and the next thing you want to do is click integration, and you form builder, and you launch form builder. These are just some of the custom forms that are already set up on Agile CRM. Let's do custom. It's going to take you to a new page, and this is how you do it. And in the radio check boxes, inline radios, you can select whatever you want to select. To select multiple, you can either choose one or two. There are multiple options, the buttons, and that's basically how you do it. And just basically easy how to do that. Or we can go back, take a look at some of the templates, and it's just a regular way, and you can edit this form and a name. This is what you see when it's fully created, and it's as easy as that as well. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's not that needed. And the next thing I want to show you is how to create a campaign on Agile CRM. And it's basically easy. I'm going to show you in a very quick few steps. And one thing you want to do is click on campaign. Uh, okay. And you can create a on this campaign. You can create a newsletter campaign by just hitting go, and it's going to ask you to enter the name, and basically it. You save the campaign. For example, just give it sales, save campaign. Or we can start from scratch by creating a custom template. And you click on custom. These are just the available nodes that we have. You can drag and drop the send email node. Uh, Under the info section, you can type in from name, from email name to subject and reply to, and it's as easy as that. And this is the let me show you the text version of the message. And the HTML, you can copy the HTML code if you wrote something on the info settings, and you can just hit save, and that would save it for you. Let's close that out. Finally, I'm going to show you how to set up deals in Agile. To set up deals in Agile, go to set up deals in Agile, go to admin settings, click on deals, click on add track. You can't do this because I'm just like I'm using the free trial, so let's try to add a milestone. To add a milestone, you can crop in a new milestone, and you can delete a milestone by just clicking deleting milestone. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete? Let's not delete that. Let's just create a new milestone and call it sales, and we add it, and that's it. And that's it's done, and it's saved. Well, thank you so much for spending this time with me. Once again, my name is Donato Sasawara, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you. You have a good evening. Bye bye.